Nostalgia, memories, and life's many teachings are the best parts about growing older. As much as we'd love to hold on to just these, pesky little details like wrinkles, dark spots, and dullness seem to latch on all the same. Hi, I'm Ragini, and today I'm going to share some of my family's secrets to eternal youth. But before we give away our secrets, here's something else. This video is sponsored by Good Vibes, and we have partnered with them for some glamorous exclusive discounts, but more on that later, so keep watching. Pomegranate seeds may look like rubies, but they are far more valuable to your skin. The benefits of this red fruit are endless, as it helps the skin regenerate and detox, provides protection against UV radiation while promoting collagen production. All you need is a handful of pomegranate seeds made into a smooth paste with a tablespoon of honey. Mix this well until the honey has dissolved and add a few drops of grapeseed oil for extra nourishment. Now apply this to your face as a mask and let it work its magic for 15 minutes. Wash your face with cold water and enjoy the glowing skin. Green tea isn't just a healthy morning beverage, it's a healthy skincare ingredient too. It can be used for cell rejuvenation as it provides a protective barrier for your skin, contains anti-inflammatory properties, and evens out skin discoloration. Use it as a toner after cleansing twice a day and notice clearer, brighter skin in no time. If like us, you too love experimenting with beauty products, you're in for a treat. We've partnered with Good Vibes on a series of videos that will help you with all things beauty. Good Vibes is an exciting new beauty brand, has great products with amazing natural ingredients, has no baddies like parabens or sulfates, and the best part is that it's super affordable too. We have a great discount for you as well. What if we told you about a magic pill that can make your skin feel completely renewed? Vitamin E is rich in antioxidants that treat hyperpigmentation, prevent aging, wrinkles, and acne scars. You can apply a few drops of it straight onto your skin as a facial oil, or mix it with some aloe vera gel for an overnight sleeping mask. You can go one step further by helping your skin absorb every drop with a soothing facial roller massage. Rosehip oil is nothing but the oil which is pressed from the fruit and seeds of the rose plant and is probably one of the best anti-aging ingredients out there. It encourages cell regeneration, overall skin radiance, boosts collagen, protects skin against sun damage, and reduces pigmentation, all the while moisturizing your skin without clogging pores. Mix 2 tablespoons of rosehip oil with 5 drops of carrot oil, another wrinkle buster. Apply 2 to 3 drops of it every night after your moisturizer for smoother skin with fewer fine lines. Coffee helps in cellulite reduction, lessens dark circles, and delays signs of aging. Let's not forget the delicious fragrance that it leaves behind on application. Just take some finely ground coffee with argan oil to make a thick scrub. Although we pay more attention to our face, the skin on our bodies isn't immune to aging either. This is where a good old cup of joe has so much more to offer than just a morning pick-me-up. Following these simple skincare tips will not only keep the early signs of aging at bay, but also help in treating the existing aging problems slowly and steadily. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.